Hi friends, welcome to Best Banking Jobs. Now we are going to see about the multiple opening available with ICICI Bank. So if you are a new user, just get into ICICI career website. Okay, just in Google ICICI Bank careers, you will get to ICICI Bank career website. Click new users, right? It will this page will come there. You have to upload your resume, and then you have to type your details, your name, last name, email ID, PAN number, date of birth. Any details cannot be modified, so you enter it properly. And then you have to click proceed. And then you have to enter your academic information, like your graduation, post graduation, your marks obtained, year of passing, your uh, your work experience, and then your supplementary information. By this, you can register yourself with ICICI Bank website, and you will get your username and password, right? From the next time, you can just click login and then enter your username and password, and you can apply for the job openings available with ICICI Bank. So this is how you first you should, without registering ICICI Bank, you cannot apply the job directly. So first register yourself. And now let's see the openings available with it. Yesterday we have seen about the probationary officer opportunities available across India. Just see the experience is 0 to 1 years. As if you are eligible, and if you are interested, just click these details we have seen in the previous video. Just apply, that's it. You will be applied and you will be contacted by the ICICI HR team. It is the database is active. If you are shortlisted, you will be contacted by them. Now let's see the other opportunities. It is an investment advisor, retail branch banking. The location is Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai. The required experience is 4 to 10 years. Just click it. Understanding the client risk return profile. See, the graduate grade is manager and chief manager. It is a senior profile. It is an advisor advisory. Act as an RM in such centers where RM is unable to attend the client and assist RM in authorizing new clients. It is like a relationship manager profile. Okay, if you are already in sales, if you have if you are graduate or postgraduate, you have 4 to 10 years of work experience. If you have 4+ years of experience, you are eligible to apply for this job. So register yourself with ICICI Bank career page and apply for it. You will be contacted by the HR. This is an business banking specialist. It's an opening available with location on Coimbatore and Bangalore. See here, it is interested keys and knowledge requirements. Primary experiences trade and lending. So this is it's not like an RM profile. It is something specialized into it. The primary experience is trade and lending. Communication skills, relationship management, knowledge about the ability to understand the clients. So if you are meeting this criteria, you can just click here. See the deliverables. You have to wealth management, portfolio, self-employed clients. Just you will be dealing with the current account customers of your banks, medium and small and medium-sized enterprises. Then you have to assist them, help them in providing the loans and also providing the forex and trade. This is what mentioned below. Uh, Acquiring client for business loans lending, providing fund-based and non-fund-based facilities, handling client forex and trade finances, right? Those providing loans and helping the customers on the forex transactions and getting the forex business. These two are your top priorities. Business banking specialist. If anyone is unlike, you don't like to be an RM, just you can apply for it. It will be a very best opportunity, and the location is Coimbatore and Bangalore. And the third opening is solution manager, enterprises solutions. It is an opening across India, and the required experience is 4 to 12 years. The solution manager responsible for new client acquisition, managing the old client relationship of working capital customers, engaging with customers to enrich, providing banking solutions, continuous monitoring of existing. These are the client. Here also the key responsibility series: rural business credit, commodity based finance, current account solutions. Your primary responsible is providing loans, rural business credit to the customers and acquisition of new customers. So unlike RM where it is acquisition and the TPP selling, here the loan promotion is the ideal and is the main function of the role. If you have 4 to 12 years of experience, register yourself and just apply here. Click here to apply. And then relationship manager. So everyone would be knowing about it. The what location is Hyderabad, Bangalore and Mumbai. It is dealing with the HNI clients, acquisition, TPP selling and profile improvement. This will be the profile, and it is also for the senior profile, manager and chief manager, right? The salary will be huge and salary will be very attractive, and you will be earning the incentives as well. Probation officer we have seen yesterday, and assistant relationship manager. See, here you will be working under the guidance of relationship manager. Here you deals with very high client servicing mid corporate with turnover of 2.5 to 7.5 billion. Okay, just you have to, here it will be like an credit appraisal, like an operations. Just you will be working under relationship manager with the paper requirements of the customers, documentation, ARM disbursement of funds once sanction is in place, coordinate with internal groups, post disbursement activities. So these are the underlying understanding of financial balance sheet of customers, key financial ratios, uh, basic business products, banking products, and if you so these are very attractive, and by knowing these things you can be an credit manager as well, or the loan instead of selling insurances and liability products, you can be an loan promoter and get you have a very good future in this also. With 2 to 12 years of experience, right? Just if you have any experiences, minimum any sales experience of 2 years or 3 years, you can apply for it. It is an across India opening, so the number of openings will be huge. See, it is a relationship manager of small and medium enterprises. It is SME. It is promoting the loan products and getting the high turnover loan customers to your bank. The location available is Cochin, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Vellore. It is 9 to 3 years. But if you even if you have less experiences, but you prefer to be an SME RM, you can apply. Here it is mentioned as 9 to 13 years, but based on the profile and based on the availability, the bank will there is a possibility the bank will acquire you. So if you are interested in any profile, even if you have doubt that you are meeting the eligibility criteria, you can apply it. You can apply. You can click apply. Once they fit you are required, they will call you. And one more last thing is it's an acquisition manager, transaction banking, to source new corporate relationship of the bank, to increase revenue of existing customers. Yes, trade finance, cash management, credit knowledge. This accounts manager, transaction banking. The relationship manager will be promoting more liability products, but these products will be promoting forex product and any other product. See, Always visit this page. These are the current openings. The ICICI Bank, whenever there is openings available, they will shuffle this. All those openings will be updated in this page. So you please visit this at least twice a week, once and twice a week. By that you can came to know about the latest opening available with ICICI Bank. You can apply for it and have a good career with ICICI Bank. I hope it is useful. Please make use of it. Subscribe our channel and share this video. Thank you.